Hey guys, it's Dom. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be getting my house ready for the Christmas season, putting up Christmas lights and decorations, putting up my Christmas tree, decorating my room, baking some sugar cookies, maybe trying out a new Christmas drink, who knows. So without further ado, let's just hop right on to the video.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock, jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air.
So this is my favorite candle ever. It's from Bath & Body Works. It's Winter Candy Apple. And I just have it in this cute little container to hold it. Okay, so my room is officially done being decorated. I have my candles up, my little mini Christmas tree, and my pillows are all red and green in a holiday theme, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I'm actually super excited to spend Christmas with my family because we love playing board games, so I know that when everybody's over it's gonna be board games every single night. We play ping pong, we play pool, and all the Christmas songs. To be honest, I was putting off this video for so long because I was not in the mood to set up any sort of Christmas decorations. I was feeling lazy and I'm so unmotivated, but now that I've done it, now that I have all these little decorations in my room and all the festive stuff downstairs, it's like that little boost of serotonin that I needed to keep me going through this month. Now let's move on to downstairs. Okay, so now I'm gonna set up my Christmas tree and all the things that we have in the living room. My dad already put a couple lights up, but I have a lot of boxes to go through. Okay, so we have a fake tree, so I'm gonna put that up now. I don't really know if you're supposed to put lights on first or ornaments first. I think I get it wrong every year, but I'm just gonna go do that. Okay, so now that I have the base of the tree set up, I'm gonna put the rest on. Last branch. So I'm not actually done putting up all the Christmas decorations. I'm not even halfway done. But you know what? I'm taking a little tea break because I love tea. Comment down below if you love tea too. So I think what's left for me to do is finish putting the ornaments on my tree, but I'm waiting to do that with my parents. Put up all the rest of the little decorations that go around our house, like wreaths and just stuff we put on coffee tables. I also want to cook some sugar cookies, but I might do that today or tomorrow. And I also want to try out one of Starbucks' new holiday drinks. I'm not sure which one, but I'm going to ask my friends for their opinions to see what drinks I should try. So I'm actually going to do a little poll on my Instagram to see what kind of drinks I should get from Starbucks. Okay, so I was recommended the eggnog creme frappuccino, and I actually love eggnog, and I think this would be so amazing. So I think I'm gonna go get one of those, and I'm gonna go get some of my favorite chocolate, Ghirardelli peppermint bark from London Drugs. Okay, so right now I'm heading out to go to Starbucks. It's 7:30ish and it is so dark outside, but all the Christmas lights are so beautiful. Okay, to Starbucks. Hey guys, so I got the eggnog frap. I'm gonna try it out. Kind of tastes like a pumpkin spice frap, but I like it. Now I'm gonna pop into London Drugs to get my favorite Christmas chocolate. Okay guys, so I'm back from Starbucks. I've already taken quite a few sips of this. This is the eggnog creme frappuccino. At first I thought it tasted like a pumpkin spice frap. It tastes like eggnog. I really like this. I didn't get a hot drink because I'm not a fan of like very hot things and like coffee. I also got my favorite chocolates in the whole entire world, and like I'm not a chocolate person. I basically hate chocolate everything except for like a few exceptions, but I love this chocolate so much. It's the Ghirardelli peppermint bark. It kind of tastes like candy cane. I also really like candy cane kisses. I just finished a bag of those the other day. I totally recommend these. Fun fact,
I'm actually kind of lactose intolerant.
but you know what? I just sacrifice it all for frappuccino and cheese. I have been literally asking for a charcuterie board for Christmas. I think I'm gonna bake Christmas cookies tomorrow. That way I just have a little bit more time, because tonight I think me and my family are going to watch a Hallmark Christmas movie. So good. I absolutely love those. And I think we're gonna finish decorating tonight. So I'll go finish decorating and check up with you guys a little bit later, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow and we can bake some cookies together.
Jingle bells, got a right time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle up around the clock, mix and a mingle in the jingling feet. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. Jingle bell.
Hey guys, so it's the next day and I've basically finished putting up all of like Christmas decorations. I have the tree done, all the stuff in my room done, and like all these little things that we just put around my like house. So today I think I'm just gonna make some sugar cookies with my dad, and I'm also going to watch a Christmas movie or like a Christmas baking show. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna go bake some sugar cookies with my dad.
Get the extra dope.
Ready for rolling? Cookies. Oh, but I love sugar cookies. You need you need a good recipe, and then you like can't mess it up. Okay guys, so me and my dad are currently baking the cookies. We have a couple batches done. They smell super yummy. Yummy. I hope this video inspired you to get into the holiday spirit, maybe set up your Christmas tree, or just like ideas on what you can do to get ready for the holiday season. I'm gonna be posting videos here every single Friday on my channel, so be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like me or would like to see more of my content. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really helps me out, and see you next week.